Hey guys, welcome to Hema's Coastal Food. Today I am going to prepare one more delicacy from Karwar, that is neer dosa. It's the most popular one and it's the easiest one. So let's begin. For neer dosa you need only two ingredients, that is rice and grated coconut, fresh grated coconut. I have taken 2 cups of rice. You can take any rice, either it is basmati rice or normal cooking rice or tukda rice or dosa rice. So you can take any rice for neer dosa. And I have taken 1 cup of grated coconut. Now next step is you have to soak this rice overnight for about 8 hours. That's the maximum. And if you want to prepare it in a jiffy, you can soak it for 2 hours, but 2 hours is mandatory. So it's better if you soak it for 8 hours or overnight, so that they become very soft and nice. I had soaked this yesterday and it's been about 8 to 10 hours now. It's been soaking. So to check it, you have to just mash it, and means it is ready to grind. So I'll be grinding this with the coconut, grated coconut. That's the only thing. We have to grind this rice and the grated coconut, and you have to make a thin batter. As you can see, the batter is ready. I will make it a little bit more thin, so it should be a neer dosa batter. So it's thinner than this. So I'll be adding a little bit water to it, and I'll do the preparation for that. Now the batter is ready. This should be the consistency of the batter. I have added salt to it for the taste. So this is the batter is a mixture of coconut, rice and salt. I have taken a non-stick tawa for the dosa. So one more thing I want to just tell you is I have taken this small glass, and this is mandatory. You should have this type of glass to pour the dosa batter on this griddle. So this it should be like this, curved at the edge, so that the batter should get poured nicely. I have taken this and I will be just pour it. The tawa is hot now. I will pour in the pesto. You should have that sizzling sound. If there is sizzling sound, means the batter is perfect. And keep it on high flame. I did not cover it. So it will take about 1 minute to get the dosa done. And this is the dosa, neer dosa. Let it cook. It will take about 1 minute now. Flip it again, and the dosa is ready to serve. One thing is, you should make sure that the griddle is very hot. I'll make about a couple of dosas. It will take about 1 more minute now. Okay, now this is the dosa, neer dosa and chutney. I have prepared coconut chutney. So the chutney recipe I have put in the description box. Just check it. And so neer dosa.